Hey there, we're really excited that you wanted to get more information on the Total Body Transformation Challenge. We're happy you're here with us. So basically the challenge you can join for 30, 60, or 90 days. Our first day, the first 30 rounds starts on April 5th. And you're going to want to utilize the Happy Co products featuring our Happy Shake and a combination of our other coffees, teas, lemonades, and capsules. You will weigh, measure, and take before pictures and join our private Facebook group. So you'll have accountability, new friends, or you can add your friends. There's going to be tips, recipes, and exercise options for the challenge. And the best part, there's going to be prizes. There's going to be weekly prizes, and 3 grand prize winners will win a trip to a tropical location. There's no better time to start your transformation, and you can win a fun trip. So these are the products that are featured. Like I said, it's centered around our Happy Shake. It's a really good protein shake that you can use as a meal replacement. And it's full of great nutrition, digestion help. And these are the other products. We have our coffee products, our energy caps, we have teas, and these are called our dose duos. And I'll explain that in just a minute, but it's a combination of having a happy cap in either coffee or an energy cap. And then we have our chill drink, which you take at night, and it helps you sleep and further burns fat while you're sleeping. So why these products? So our Happy Shake, as I was mentioned, full of nutrition, great for weight loss and weight management, muscle building, great for digestion and gut health, has probiotics, plant fibers, has whole food nutrition in it. You're getting everything you need in this shake, and that's going to start your day off great. Now, the benefits of this, what we call our dose, like I mentioned, we call it that because it helps elevate your dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, and endorphins, your happy hormones. What happens when you elevate those? You just naturally feel better. You are motivated to perhaps eat better and start exercising. You don't crave as much. So there's this appetite control portion of it. You have, like I said, this extreme energy, and it also helps support your blood sugar and immune response too. So perfect combination, the shake and these products. Just to get in a little bit more with these Happy Caps. So these Happy Caps have xanthan, humal, and turmeric, and these are great antioxidants and help boost your mood. So the combo with that, with the coffee or one of the teas or lemonades, is really going to boost your energy levels and mood. And in combination with the shake, it's really going to help transform you, and you're going to start feeling better and looking better. So it's just a quick example. This says 28 days, but like I said, we're doing a 30-day challenge. And this is just an example of how you can use the products. Now, personally, for me, I drink the chai tea and take the Xanthamax in the morning, first thing. And then about noontime, I'm drinking one of the Happy Shakes, and I'm eating a snack around 2 o'clock. And I might have a boost with some lemonade in the afternoon, and then I'm eating a healthy dinner. Personally, I don't drink the chill drink, the unwind. I don't need it. I'm a good sleeper, so I just don't feel it's necessary. So it's going to be determined on what you think is best for you. And the person who invited you to join this will help you figure out what are the best products for you to use for the challenge. Just to recap, we're starting on April 5th. You're going to use our products from the Happy Co. You're going to want to weigh yourself, measure yourself, and take some before pictures. Join our Facebook group and win some prizes. So here's how you can get started. Reach out to the person that invited you to the challenge, and they'll send you a link to order the products. They'll work with you to figure out which is the best for you. You'll also receive a link for a Google Doc, and that's how you enter the challenge itself. On this Google Doc, you will see directions to join the Facebook group. Once you've been accepted into the group, you will post your intro and engage with members on this journey. That's going to be really important to keep you accountable. You're going to see tips and recipes, and it's going to help you through the challenge. We're really excited that you started this transformation with us, and we look forward to seeing your results.